If you can put a date to a photograph, you can put somebody in place and time. Look at the details for it. Okay, we can't just glance at them and keep on moving. We have to look at the details. Do you want to show that one that you were talking about? Yeah, show the back of it. So at first glance, what we think we might be looking at is actually, you might think like a daguerreotype or perhaps an ambrotype. It's a little hard, looking the image and stuff, but you can see this is a case. It's actually only half the case.
Exactly.
This beautiful embossed case on the back. And then when you flip it around, we have the image. If you take a closer look at this, this is neither a daguerreotype nor an ambrotype, because when you get into the details of it, it's just a reprint that's been stuffed in the case, right, Barbara?
Exactly.
So we have to really pay attention to all the little details that are over there in those.